Perched along a ridge in Maryville, Tennessee, the Short Mountain. House by Sanders. Pace architecture opens out to sweeping views of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The design stretches along the ridge. To take full advantage of these long, uninterrupted sightlines, designed for a couple with an extended out-of-town family, the house is split into 3 separate pavilions. This allows it to function efficiently for everyday use while still expanding when family visits, with outdoor spaces formed naturally between each structure. The home is organized into 3 distinct pavilions linked by narrow connectors that act like bridges. Moving between spaces becomes a sequence of transitions, with each pavilion offering a different function and atmosphere. This layout separates social areas from private zones, allowing the house to scale up or down depending on how it's used, while still maintaining a clear and cohesive flow. Wood-lined alcoves, inspired by Japanese Engawa Spaces, are integrated into the exterior. These covered strips of decking run along the edges of the home, forming a transition between interior and exterior. They also help manage sunlight, with overhangs that reduce heat gain around the large sliding glass doors, while creating sheltered outdoor areas. The exterior uses a restrained palette of materials, with 2 contrasting wood sidings defining the overall look. The primary siding is Accoya wood finished with a brushed Shou Sugi band treatment, which chars the surface for durability and resistance to weather and insects. A lighter wood is used within the Engawa spaces